Hey guys, just as I promised, this video is slime and mini brains. We have mini brains and some slime, why is it not closed? Some slime from the store. I'm excited to open these with you, so first I start with the slime. I removed the little packaging. Oh my god. This is not stretchy at all. Never mind. So let's put this back in. And let's get to the fun part. Wait. Guys, we're going to start peeling right here on the little arrow. Oh, this is my favorite part. I'm gonna try to remove this. Why doesn't it want to? Now we're gonna pull this little thing. Now pull. Now can we open? Okay. Okay, guys. How do you open this? Do you need to push it or just open it from here? Wait guys, I'm gonna try to open it. Now, we should remove the little tape here. Here we have it. Okay, let's open the first little thing. Can we unstick it? No, we can't. What do I get? Krabby Patties, SpongeBob, SquarePants. Put that here. Look at the mini checklist. Let's see which one did I get. Check the little calendar. Here it is. I took the calendar. Anyways, let's get unpeeling the next one. Got SpongeBob. Now let's unpeel the next one. How do you unpeel this? Wait, Okay, how do we open it? What do we get? Ew, hacky sack. Put that there. Now let's put this. Now let's pull this one open. It's kind of hard. A little shopping cart. These are the little instructions. And, what is this? And the little stickers. Let me take that out. There we go. Let me pause the video so I can put the trash in the bag. Alright guys, I organized. Now let's open this one. I should have got two. Which one? Ooh, eggs. I love these as a child. Let's put that there. Remove this. And on to the next one, aka the last one. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Which one did I get? Which one did I get? Regrets. There we go. Now put that over there. Now we shall be able to build the card. Let me follow the little instructions here. Also, Happy New Year, guys. It's almost New Year, so these two, we put these two together. Then we get this little rattle. Oh, I understand. Now we need to put here. There you go, guys. Ow. Do we need to put these together? Yes, we do. Okay, guys, I almost spent an hour trying to make the little cart, but here it is. Anyway, so now let's attach the other one on its little side right here. Toy. Anyway, now we will put some of the stuff because almost some of it can go in like this one. So now let's go. Enjoy. Bye.